Building an online business can feel like a lot, especially if you are managing multiple tools that help you build your website, set up your funnels, or even manage your social media. If you are ready to simplify your online business, then stay tuned because I'm going to share with you an online tool that has everything you need in one place to help you simplify your online business. Hey friends, it's Tisha. Welcome to my channel here where I teach you the tools you need to help you create and sell digital products. So in this video, I want to introduce you to an all-in-one business system that lets you automate your business all in one dashboard, and that is Go HighLevel. With Go HighLevel, you can create funnels and systems to automate your business as well as sell physical products, digital products, memberships, subscriptions, services, and this can work for any business. Now, to get started with HighLevel, I recommend that you use my affiliate link down below in the description box, because with my link, you get an extended 30-day free trial so you can go in and have extra time to test out all of the features and see how Go HighLevel can work for your business. After your 30-day free trial, I recommend getting started with the starter plan. It has everything you need to build, manage, and automate your business. Now, let's go ahead and jump into my computer screen so I can walk you through the basics of Go HighLevel so you can get your business set up right away. Once you have created your account with Go HighLevel, it's going to take you to the back end of your account. If you don't see this dashboard immediately, go over here to the left hand side. This is your menu. Click here and then select your business information. Okay, so the first thing you're going to see is your launch pad, and your launch pad is basically your checklist on how you're going to get started with Go HighLevel. I honestly think this is a great way to learn the Go HighLevel platform. It gives you each step of the process that you need to go through, and as you click on each one of these drop downs, it actually is going to take you to a video that gives you more information, walking you step by step on what you need to do to get that set up. I highly recommend, after you watch this video, just grabbing a cup of coffee and going through the launch pad and learning the Go HighLevel platform. Okay, so once you click on your dashboard is going to give you some analytics once you start adding information to your account. This next area is your conversations. In your conversations, you can sync your Gmail or your Outlook email account and manage your emails directly from your Go HighLevel conversation manager. You can also manage your Facebook and Instagram messages directly from this tab. Under the calendar section, you can sync your calendars and manage your bookings and appointments directly from HighLevel. You can also create new calendars and customize the type of calendar that fits your business. This next section is where you can manage all of your contacts. You can add your contacts by clicking on the plus sign, and you can just add all of their information here and hit save. And then once you do that, your contact will appear here. If you have a list of contacts that you have somewhere else, like in an email list or anywhere that you may have them, you can import them directly into Go HighLevel. You just need to follow the steps to import them, and you can manage all of your contacts directly from your Go HighLevel dashboard. Here under the payment tab, you're able to create invoices if this is something that your business does. If you need any contracts, you can house your contracts here as well. All of your orders, you will see your orders under the order tab. If you have subscriptions, you will see that here under the description tab. Next, I want to show you is your products section, and this is where you can go to add your products. This will be your physical products and your digital products. If you have it available, you can import them using a CSV file. If you don't have that, you simply just go down here and click on the blue button. Now, I will be covering how to do this in a separate step-by-step tutorial, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss when I drop that video. Back to your payments dashboard, you can also set up coupons. So if you're running any type of sales, you can add coupons and you will see your list of coupons here. And the next part that I want you to view is your integrations. This is very important that you view this step because this is where you can connect your payment integrations, and this is how you get paid. You can connect a Stripe or PayPal account. If you don't have access to those, HighLevel does have integrations with other payment processors that you can connect and make sure that you receive payments. Okay, the next area is the AI agent section. This is a really cool section because it is implementing AI. And with the AI agent, you're basically able to create your own customer service AI agent that can assist with answering questions on your website. The next section is your marketing tab. And here under the marketing tab, you can actually manage all of your social media accounts directly from your Go HighLevel account. You don't have to have a third-party tool to manage your social media accounts. You just simply click on whatever social media account that you want to connect, and you go through the process of connecting those accounts, and you'll be able to post to your social media accounts from your Go HighLevel dashboard. Under the email tabs, you will find the built-in email marketing tool. You'll be able to see your email analytics, all your open rate, all of this information is here. Not only that, you can create your own email workflows, sequences, and campaigns directly from your Go HighLevel account. The next area I want to show you under the marketing tab is the affiliate manager. You can create your own affiliate program with Go HighLevel and manage it from the Go HighLevel dashboard, and you're able to pay your affiliates directly from your Go HighLevel dashboard. Here's where you can set up your automations. If you go over to this button and click workflows, you can select from a template and choose from some templates that Go HighLevel already has set up. You just click on the preview button and you can kind of see how the automation works, and just think about it as a domino effect. Once the trigger happens, then they go to the next step of the process and they keep going until the end of that automation. Next, let's take a look at the site section. This is where you'll find everything you need to build your online presence. You'll find options for your funnel builders, website builders, and your store builders. With funnels, you can create landing pages and sales pages. With your website is basically a full-blown website, and then your store is where you sell your products. You also have the option to create forums, surveys, and quizzes, and you can use these as a way to collect leads and grow your email list. Now, I don't want you to feel like you need all of these to get started right away. They are simply options that you can tap into later as your business grows. Next is the membership section. Here's where you'll manage your memberships and your members. You can create and host your courses, and you can even build your own community and connect with your audience all in one place. The next section is your media storage area. This is where you can house all of your media for all of your Go HighLevel content. And so the last thing I want to show you that I think is important when you're just setting it up is under the settings section. So click on settings and go down to integrations. And here are some integrations that you can connect with your Go HighLevel account. You can actually connect your accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, or Wave into your Go HighLevel platform, allowing you to have that seamless connection with your accounting software. As you can see, there's a lot you can do with Go HighLevel to help you grow your business. Now, don't worry about trying to learn the platform all at once. Take advantage of their free 30-day extended trial. The link will be down in the description box, and just take your time exploring the features and finding out what works for your business. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next tutorial. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.